My name is Magdalena de la Cruz Garcia. I am the founder of Magie Salsa LLC. This is a company that I started with a gift of $800 when I was homeless, and a company that sold the Campbell soup in 2015. I am from Mexico, and this was life in an orphanage. Ever since I can remember, I mostly worked in construction, digging ditches, cutting trees, and gathering topsoil from the mountains. At times we had no food for weeks, so some of my brothers and I resorted to hunting with our bare hands. We basically hunted at night using spotlights and nets to catch our prey. When I was about 6 years old, I started digging caves in sides of mountaintop canyons. These were my secret hiding places to rest. This was a way to try to escape, to cope with the things that I saw and lived. As a way out of the orphanage, I pursued basketball and got recruited in high school to play for the Mexican national team, but I broke my collarbone. My ticket out was months later when I got recruited to play basketball by the University of Charleston, and that's how I came here.
And I said, wow, what if I tried it?
I learned to play basketball blindfolded with the help of an orphan kid named Pancho. We found Pancho in a dumpster as a baby. He couldn't walk because he had spinal bifida, and my job was to carry him everywhere I went. I was willing to do the unthinkable to try and gain a competitive edge, and I did. When I graduated college, I couldn't find a job and I became homeless. I ended up living in the streets and also in the woods in a nearby forest. But to be honest, I didn't even know that I was homeless because that's how I lived most of my life. In 2004, I started my salsa company with a gift of $800 when my friends entered me into a salsa contest. I won the contest and I had an aha moment. I started my business and it grew very, very fast. My products sold in 38 states to supermarkets like Walmart's, Whole Foods, Sam's Clubs, and many more companies carried my products. I can tell you with certainty that I believe that when you focus your mind laser sharp in the things that you want most, you can accomplish everything that you want. Not just some things, but everything. All you need is everything you've got.
When I first tasted Magie Salsa, I was blown away. It was awesome product. I could tell it was fresh. I could tell it was made with quality ingredients and knew that it would be a great product for Walmart.
Shortly after my company was sold to Campbell's, I went back to Mexico and helped save 31 orphan children who were in grave danger. Some of them were victims of sex trafficking. We later were able to involve the federales and the military in the continuous pursuit of the safety of these kids. The best type of giving currency is not money. It is the willingness to give your life for the service of others. What are you contributing in your life that is worth making a difference and creating a change for good? Never take for granted one single moment of your life. Change starts now.